down and dirty. Does your ballscrew need attention? Don't worry, we have got you covered. We at Prezise Spindles can provide ballscrew services for CNC machine tools of all types. Heavy-duty ballscrew, high-speed ballscrew, lead screw, and etc. We have 10+ years of experience helping companies. Our strengths: highly qualified and experienced engineers and technicians. Well-equipped infrastructure for all needs and parameters. 365 days of customer emergency support. We have also done more than 1,000+ ballscrew services. We service any make or model ballscrew for any type of machine tool provided. Don't settle for less. Choose the best. One of the prime parts of a CNC machine in order to achieve great quality and accuracy in machining a workpiece, the ball screw plays the most vital role. Keeping this in mind, we recondition the ball screws with care and eliminate backlash and play. By this, we achieve backlash less than 10 microns and get high precision and accuracy. We offer 6-month service warranty for ball screw service along with service report.